My name is Mike.
Hello, hello.
Hello.
Hey everybody, it's Walker and Sky at Full Spectrum Laser, and
Hello,
welcome to the 1 hour build.
Is this going to take an hour?
It's gonna take about 15 minutes.
Okay.
So, today we are doing leather bracelets. Leather Bracelet Brothers.
Johnny Depp.
So, let's just dive right into the software and I'll show you the design we're gonna do and all the details, yeah?
All right, let's do it.
So this is the design.
Nice.
You guys are gonna get the free blank template. So the template's gonna be a blank. It's essentially just a glorified rectangle with circles in it. But if you're starting out, it's a good way to do an easy project real fast.
Okay. So they put their own, whatever they want to be in it.
Yeah, you can drag and drop any sort of JPEG image on top of it or design your own.
All right.
So.
For black and white works best.
Yeah, with leather, you're simple black and white, and that's going to be your fastest actually, because you can do this at 250 DPI, no problem.
Okay.
So we have our raster on here, and we're going to set the DPI, like I said, at 250. We're going to have the power at 100 and the speed at 100. Let's lower that to 80.
Now, why do you want to lower the speed?
I want it just a little bit deep, because after this is done, I'm going to paint on top of that leather, and just a little depth is going to help hold that paint in that actual engraving.
So really light leather?
Yeah, it's real light, and it actually has a masking already on top of it. So 80 speed, 250 DPI. We're going to do the vector at 50 speed, 100 power, 80 current.
All right.
Now we're going to lower that current so it gets rid of that charred edge. We want to play with that until it gets kind of a amber, kind of brownish look, rather than a black charred look.
Kind of the same with wood.
Same thing, same exact thing. So if we go over to the machine, I'm going to run the perimeter just to check out, make sure it's on top of the material. And it's black. No? 1 second. Technical difficulties with the camera. It's probably because Scott sat on the cord.
Yeah. I just started pulling cords and stuff because that's what I do.
You're pretty good at that. Here,
Well,
you
technology
want to check that
confuses
connection?
me and scares me. You've got all this stuff taped over here.
So, as you guys figure that out, so we have a couple of different designs. I designed this weave bracelet, and if you want to know how to make the weave bracelet, go ahead and check out our blog. It'll be in the description beneath on YouTube. And then we also have just a basic design that you can add any sort of, design you want on top of it.
Now, what kind of design is that?
So this is actually from my favorite artist, Miss Monster Mel. Now you shouldn't take other people's, but if you're gonna, rock it yourself, that's completely okay. And I'm sure she's super proud that, people
That
are
you're a
wearing
fan.
that I'm a fan, yeah. That I'm a fan? Wow. All right, so we have our job up and we're gonna run the perimeter.
Now, obviously, you could do a lot of these at once if you wanted to.
You can, and actually, this thing only takes about 3 minutes with the raster itself and the cut. And you can do a ton of these in an hour.
And each one could have its own design in it.
Each one have its own design, and it only costs about less than $1 to make.
For the materials?
For the materials. Yeah, given some variables, depending on if you want to have a hitch fastener or something of that sort, it really just close to $1.
What do you think you'd sell it for?
So custom ones cost around like 20, 25, and that's a pretty significant margin right there. That's 95% margin on a $1 bracelet. That's your cost, and shipped $25. That's huge margin.
I could see this at a kiosk or something like that. Just
Oh yeah.
putting these things out all day as people come up and saying, I want a cat. on my bracelet or something
Exactly.
like
I want my cat.
that. Right, I guess so, huh? They have pictures in their phone and stuff like that?
Yeah, they could send it, put it on the bracelet. I mean, you can have just a single business doing that.
Right.
So we're just going to start this.
Now, I hear you have some tricks for getting cheap leather.
I do. So we've talked about it before. I used to be a starving artist, and I would take old jackets and old couches off Craigslist, and I would just cut them up.
Right.
And that's a significant amount of leather for what you're paying for. For example, I bought a couch that was like $40, the whole couch, all leather, really nice, and that's so much leather. More than you know what to do.
The leather was worth more than $40.
Oh, definitely. If you go to a Michael's or something of that sort, they're gonna sell you like a 12 by 12 for I think $17.
Oh wow.
So it's very significant. Oh, we can't see the feed? No. Ugh. Is it going? Of course we get Scott on here and nothing works.
Machines hate me.
Oh man.
But you got a really good deal on leather, I heard.
Oh yeah. So I went on OfferUp, which is like a Craigslist app kind of. It's a lot better though. And this guy said he had tons of brand new leather and he was selling it for $250. So I was messaging back and forth a couple of days. And he's like, dude, if you pick it up today, I'll sell it to you for $160.
Yes.
So I filled up the whole back of my Scion with leather. It's crazy. So
you're gonna open up a leather shop now.
Yeah, I can open up a leather
Very
shop.
nice.
So
send your orders to Walker.
yeah, there you go. So I'm gonna make some stuff with it. You know, obviously I'm not gonna use it all. So
Yeah. Well,
definitely
you'll have to bring that stuff in here and show everybody.
Yeah, it'll take a while.
What kind of stuff do you think you're gonna make with it?
Probably watch bands and stuff like that. I want to do some motorcycle stuff, so.
You should do archery arm guards.
Oh yeah, arm guards, and then they have the little finger things.
Yep, right.
So, if anybody has any leather ideas for projects, you guys want to see it, put it in the comments down below. Any sort of ideas. If you guys want to see anything made at all, that's why I'm here. Scott's just going to sit here and look pretty.
I'm just here for commentary.
Yeah.
I make you look better.
Oh, no, that's not true.
It's not easy.
It's quite the other way. So, less than 3 minutes and you have an awesome custom bracelet.
Okay. Now it's cutting it out. So it's done the rastering and now it's going to cut it out.
Yeah. I find myself watching it. It's pretty bad. Years and years of playing with lasers and I'm still watching it like, ooh.
You want good ventilation when you cut leather though.
Yeah, definitely. It's got quite a smell. Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's like burning hair.
Yeah, like burnt hair.
Yeah, which is not the
it's
best
organic
smell.
material, so.
Yeah. So, in less than 3 minutes, realistically, we have a custom bracelet.
Right, so you're in a kiosk, people can order the stuff right then and there.
Yeah, if you have a good exhaust system, you can go right there. One of our FSL 100s would fit right in a kiosk.
Right, yes.
Suck it right out of there. So, yeah, that's pretty good.
What are you going to do next with it?
So, with this guy, with this design actually, there's a hitch fastener. If you can see that. The hitch fastener is going to be your cheapest option because all you need are holes on one side and then the hitch fastener. And this thing, like some parts are rivets, so like if you have a snap fit bracelet, those are riveted on and you need a special tool and it's super easy to lose. I actually lost mine. So these guys just screw on like a flathead screwdriver.
Okay.
So that's
no tools really needed. Except
no
for the
tools. I use my fingers because like this is the most shallow flathead screwdriver insert ever, and it's going to be the quickest, save you time and money.
Now, did you laser cut the holes for the rivets too?
Yeah. So the file itself has holes for the rivets, the snap fits, and the hitch itself.
And so you've sized it so that it can be sized for a different size wrist.
Yeah, so you can get this hitch fastener at any local craft store,
Right.
especially a leather store. And they're super cheap, like I said, and very fast. And with the file itself, it's got 3 different hole sizes for the wrist, and that's going to fit
One size fits all.
almost everybody, unless they're, you know, some dainty wrists.
Tiny, or
Yeah.
huge.
We can show them. So this actually has a masking tape on it, and this is going to get a fill of paint, and then I'm going to remove the masking tape after it's done.
Okay. And that's
So-
going to remove some of that shadowing.
That shadowing is going to be completely gone, and it's actually going to bring out the darkness like this pattern
All right.
here. And that's really it. Costs less than $1 to make one. Selling them around $25.
Depending on your
Ship-
custom options. And,
Yeah, custom options, all that. Some variables, you're probably going to get a margin of 95%. So very significant. I believe we have a sale that we want to bust out and talk about, yeah?
All right. What's our sale?
Our sale is lower third. Show? No lower third? The pro sale. There we go.
Here we are.
$4,500
Nice
and
machine.
20 by 12. What are the benefits of the 20 by 12 Pro?
Well, it's portable for one thing. You mentioned the kiosk and stuff like that. So,
Oh, yeah.
You know, it's one of those machines that can go in a doorway and go into an office, kitchen, wherever you might want to put these things. Garage.
Garage, yeah, definitely a kitchen. I want to cook my food with the
Good.
laser.
Well, you want to engrave your food.
Yeah,
I've seen
you
a lot
have
of
to. So I think that is it. So until next week, we have another awesome project. You'll see Nick and I on Laser Talk, and maybe Scott again. If people don't like Scott, just let
Yeah.
us know in the comments, and then we'll get rid of him.
And I'm used to it, so don't worry about it.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. You go.
All right.
So till next time.
Keep making.